Alright guys, Nippy here again. I'm going to throw another video on to show how easy it is to work a dot matrix printer as opposed to one of these cheap Chinese thermocopiers or one of the phone fax machines. This is an Epson I got off of eBay, an Epson 670, cost me £22, that was including the postage, which is about 26 euros or about $45, something like that. Basic program I use at the moment is just Microsoft Word. What I'm going to print out is, as you can see on top of the screen, Paul aka Nippy, day's date, and 3 of these can interlock and stars. The joy of Microsoft Word is you can move your shapes anywhere you want prior to printing. The only reason I'm doing this kind of gash looking me shape or 3 shapes here is I'll use this as a stencil on the back of my hand so you can see how intricate the stencil actually works. Again, you can change your font sizes, make it as big or small as you want, and you do it all prior to printing. Koi cap, just one I snatched off Google Images. Again, make it as small as you want, as big as you want. You can also, if I try and keep this image for you, if you hold down Control, you can also flip the image left to right or right to left. Right, so we've got the koi cap outline. As long as I picked the kois, it's quite intricate. Obviously you can get more intricate design than this, but it's just a rough idea. And name, date, 3 stars. Go to print. Print's already selected. Into my properties, down into advanced. I've selected 360 by 180 dots per inch. You've got other alternatives, 180 by 180, 120 by 180. Obviously the more dots per inch, the more refined and defined the stencil is going to be. I've left the cover up just so you can see it's actually working. The paper I'm using in here is just simply a sheet of Spirit hand draw carbon paper. On top of that I put a cheap generic sheet of Spirit printer paper you get from any supplier. Can be slightly noisy. Here we have our 3 designs. Paul obviously at the top, Nippy, the date, 3 interlock stars, the koi. And this is what goes into the skin. Very easy to use, leaves a good impression, and it's as simple to work as that. See you later.